Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to delete Hotmail search history and clear Outlook search history. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to outlook.cloud.microsoft.com. Once you're on the page, log into your Microsoft account using your credentials. This will load your inbox and give you access to all your Outlook features. Take a moment to ensure everything loads properly before moving on to the next step. Now that your emails have loaded, it's time to access your Outlook settings. Direct your attention to the top right corner of your screen where you'll notice a gear icon. This icon represents your settings menu and is where you'll find all the customization options for your Outlook account. Go ahead and click on this gear icon to open the settings window. This is an important step because it gives you access to privacy controls that help you manage what data Outlook stores about your activity. Once the settings window appears, you'll see a menu on the left side with several tabs and options. Look for the General tab and click on it. The General tab contains basic account settings and privacy features that control how Outlook behaves. Under this tab, scroll down until you find the Privacy and Data option and click on it. This section is specifically designed to help you manage personal information and control what Outlook remembers about your usage. Within the Privacy and Data section, you'll find various options related to your account privacy. Look for the Search History setting. This is where Outlook stores all your previous searches to help speed up future queries. However, if you want to clear this data for privacy reasons or simply to start fresh, you'll see a button labeled Delete History. Click on this button to immediately remove all stored search history from your account. This action clears out everything you've previously searched for in Outlook, giving you a clean slate. And that's it. You've successfully deleted your Hotmail search history and cleared your Outlook search history, ensuring your past searches are no longer stored. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.